Hi, if you're new here, we're filling envelopes to save money to cut down my trees. So every envelope has a number on it, 1 through 75, and we're going to be filling these envelopes every day until we have enough money to cut down the trees. You guys, thank you so much for interacting. You guys are more than welcome to comment in any of my videos. Random numbers 1 through 75. Actually, it's 73 now. 1 through 73. And whatever number you guys comment, I will do a corresponding video responding to your comment while filling the envelope with that number. All my customs are done for today, so this one is just for me. And you, of course. Seven. As always, ain't nothing to it but to do it, so let's get into it. 5, 1, 1, 7. Into the envelope. Now into the safe. See y'all for the next one.